My father said not to let my mind leave my destiny behind, for its journey too great to comprehend. But I went racing with the wind and got carried away by rampant thoughts, ideas, and perceptions that would separate me from who I was meant to be. So I search for myself, consuming anything in my path, that I may reach closure from my past, of a wound the size of my journey to reconnect, that I may be protected from the predators who smell blood running to freedom, close upon my neck. So I pray for a caravan, a ship, a vessel that would connect my mind and heart once again. My father said not to let my mind leave my destiny behind, for its journey too great to comprehend.